Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the BLU F91. So this is BLU's first 5G smartphone, so if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below. So the BLU 91 is now available to purchase on the BLU F91. So this is a pretty nice looking phone. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, and it has 5G on it. And I believe that this is BLU's first 5G smartphone, so that is pretty cool there. So this could be a long video, so just be prepared for that. So let's go ahead and check out the BLU F91. Alright. So both for speed there, so that's what the phone looks like there. Front and back, a very nice looking phone. You do have a fingerprint sensor right here. This is your power button as well, so pretty nice there. You got 4 cameras on the back, I believe. 2 of them right here and 1 right here. And you got camera flash. And you got something down here. I'm not sure what this is down here. So yeah, this one has 5G on it, of course. So if you guys want to check out this video, y'all guys can check it out here. I'm not gonna play it. Playing by itself, so that's kind of interesting. So if you guys want to check the video out, just click on it. Superior design, gradient blue texture finish with a radiant shine that is both elegant and velocious, I guess. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but whatever. It says the all-new F91 5G reflects perfect aesthetics, available in oceanic blue. A very nice looking color. I'm not a fan of the blue color though, but the blue color on this one is very nice. I'm not a fan of the blue color on the phone, just not. But if you guys want a phone with the blue color on it, this is the phone to check out. Very nice looking phone. The color is nice as well. Even though I don't like the blue color on the phone, on the phones actually. So the blue color on this phone is very nice. So you got the volume buttons on the left side of the phone there. You have a 6.8 inch Full HD plus display. That's a 20:9 aspect ratio. It's infinity dot display. 91.7 screen to body. 91.7% screen to body ratio, 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution at 396 ppi. Of course, it has 5G on it. Has a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, speed beyond imagination. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810, the F91 5G provides lightning fast connectivity. Experience whenever, wherever you are. Maximize your gaming experience, enter the 5G room, and leave your competitors in the dust. So the main selling point of this phone is it has 5G on it. Work hard, play harder. You have 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Don't know if you have a micro SD card on this phone or not. I'm not sure. So the F91 5G not only exceeds all performance expectation, it dominates with 8 gigabytes of RAM, set up with everyday demanding user experience. With a massive 128 gigabytes internal storage, all your files are a touch away. Benchmark score, so they're comparing different phones here, so y'all guys can get an idea. But real life testing is the real test. So do keep that in mind, guys. Alright, so they're using the at&t benchmark test here, so you can compare the different phones side by side. But like I said, a real world test is the best test. You know what I'm saying? So do keep that in mind. Alright. Yeah. So you got 4 cameras on the back. You have a 48 megapixel HD main camera, which has a Samsung GM1 6P lens. I'm not sure what that is. F1.79 aperture autofocus. Then underneath of that, you have a 5 megapixel wide angle camera, 115 degree watt. So it's 115 degrees wide angle 4P lens. I'm not sure what that is. f2.4 aperture, fixed focus. Then you have a 2 megapixel macro camera with the f2.4 aperture lens, also fixed focus as well. And then you have a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the right side of that with the f2.4 aperture, then a fixed focus, and then you have your camera flash. There's probably dual LED flash right here. So yeah, your selfies look so good. 16 megapixel selfie camera, soft and natural background blur with clear, well-defined details. Super zoom 108 megapixel, perfection algorithm, 12,000 by 9,000 resolution, 30 times zoom in, and the details blue macro shot. So this is taken with the macro camera. Pro mode, X-Raw Pro mode on the F91 5G offers parameter adjustments, making it easy to frame views in all different scenes, delivering a professional shooting experience. 115 degrees wide angle. So that's your field of view there. So what's this, a building or something? I think that is a building. I'm not sure what building that is, so don't ask me about that. Embrace the night. Advanced night mode. Time exposure, overexposure suppression, and MFNR, which stands for multi-frame noise reduction. It has AI mode, which is artificial intelligence, upgraded to 12 modes. So you guys got different modes here. You can click on them, but you got 12 modes here, so take it for what you will there. Wireless and do more. 10-watt wireless charging. Never search for a power outlet again. The F91 5G offers a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery that can last all day and all night. 18 watt quick charging along with wireless charger allows for a stress-free experience. So you get a 10-watt wireless charger, which is pretty good. It's pretty decent. And then you'll get an 18-watt quick charger, so it's pretty cool. So the quick charger will actually do faster than the wireless charging anyway. So yeah, up to 3 days of battery life. That's what they claim. So it also depends on users as well. So you got 5,000 mAh battery, up to 3 days of battery life, of what BLU claims. So do keep that in mind, keep that and take that with a grain of salt. 3 days of battery life, that's nice, but it also depends on the usage as well. So be mindful of that. Perfect connection. Keep your phone close and all your other gadgets closer. With NFC, you can automatically connect your life to stress-free daily life. Unlock your world. The F91 5G ensures total security for all your important applications and files. Unlock your smartphone with a press of a finger or simply use its Face ID technology. So you do have both Face ID and fingerprint. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button, so to keep that in mind. You have Android 11 on board, which is still decent. You know, it's not the latest and greatest. That's Android 12, but hopefully it'll get Android 12. Hopefully it will. So you'll have Android 11 on board, which is a version behind. It's about to be 2 versions behind, because Android 13 is now coming soon, and it's and Google has released the Android 13 beta as of April 26th, so Android 13 is coming, and this has Android 11 on it, so hopefully I'll get Android 12. I don't know how many updates that this phone is going to get, so just keep that in mind when you think about buying this phone. If software updates mean that much to you, you guys need to take that into consideration as well. So Android 11 is optimized for how you use your phone, giving you powerful device controls and easier ways to manage conversations, privacy settings, and so much more. You do get family link. I guess this is probably Android 11 Pacific, I guess. That's what I'm assuming. So you do get family links, smart reply, sound amplifier, dark theme, location control, privacy control, focus mode, gesture navigation, security updates. That's the phone right there. Very nice to confirm. The blue color does look nice. Even though I'm not a fan of the blue color on phones, this blue color, it looks very nice. F91 5G built for speed. It is now available, so you can buy this phone now. So, yeah, it's GSM quad band, so it will be able to work on AT&T and T-Mobile and GSM prepaid carriers like Cricket, AT&T prepaid, stuff like that. Metro. So yeah, this phone is unlocked, so you can use it on any GSM carrier that you guys want. You do get 5G on here. Display 6.8 inches, Full HD plus, Infinity dot display, 91.5% screen to body ratio, 1080 by 2460 pixels, 396 ppi, MediaTek Density 810, octa-core 2.4 gigahertz, 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you do have a micro SD card slide up to 256 gigabytes, so take advantage of that. Cameras, you get a 48 megapixel Samsung sensor with LED flash, 2 megapixel depth sensor, 5 megapixel wide angle with 115 degree field of view, 2 megapixel macro lens, 16 megapixel front facing camera. Your security options is side mounted fingerprint sensor, which is your power button, AI, artificial intelligence, Face ID. Connectivity options are Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi ACBGN, hotspot Type-C, of course, which is standard now. Battery is 5,000 milliamps. 18 watt quick charge plus 10 watt wireless charging. 5 watts reverse charging, so you can charge other devices with your phone, like your headphones or whatever. So pretty sweet. You do get Android 11, which is a bit outdated right now, but it's still not too bad. Hopefully we'll get Android 12, but I don't know how good BLU is with their updates, so don't quote me on that. Size and weight and all that. I wish they had this thing in inches and not millimeters, but whatever. So yeah, do you guys have the F91 5G from BLU? It's now here. It's now available to be purchased. If you guys want to buy this one, a link will be down below, and you can use this phone on any GSM carrier like AT&T, T-Mobile, of course, Metro, Cricket, AT&T prepaid. So this phone is fully unlocked, and you can use it on GSM carriers. So check that out, and you might be able to use it on Boost as well. So if you guys want to take this phone to Boost, you should be able to take it to Boost, but I'll check compatibilities first before you're taking it to Boost, because Boost is finicky about the about phones like that. So yeah, so the BLU F91 5G is now here. This is BLU's first 5G smartphone, so it's pretty cool. It is now available for to be purchased. The price, I have no idea what the price is on this thing. I have no idea. Specs on it are pretty good. It's kind of like a mid-range smartphone. That's what it is. It's a mid-range smartphone. Looks very nice. The blue color does look nice on here as well, even though I'm not a fan of the blue color on phones in general. But this blue color looks very nice. So, yeah, it has all the features that you guys want. It has Android 11, which is a bit outdated right now, but hopefully we'll get Android 12 and maybe Android 13. Maybe, I'm not sure. So, I guess stay tuned for that. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The BLU F91 5G is now here. It's now available to be purchased. So this is BLU's first 5G smartphone. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.